Shri Bhagwati, manufactures Nicotine Jerrycan Filling Line. Nicotine Jerrycan Filling Line is a meticulously designed and integrated system engineered to facilitate the efficient and precise filling of jerrycans with nicotine-based solutions. Comprising a comprehensive array of interconnected components and processes, this advanced production line embodies the pinnacle of manufacturing excellence in the realm of nicotine-based e-liquids. At its core, the Nicotine Jerrycan Filling Line embodies a commitment to quality, consistency, and compliance with regulatory standards. Each stage of the production process is carefully orchestrated to ensure optimal performance, product integrity, and operational efficiency. The journey of production commences with the thorough cleaning and sterilization of the jerry cans to eliminate any contaminants and maintain product purity. Utilizing state-of-the-art cleaning technologies and sterilization protocols, the jerry cans undergo rigorous sanitization to meet stringent hygiene standards. Once cleaned, the jerry cans are seamlessly fed into the filling line, where they await the precise dosing of the nicotine solution. In the preparation and mixing area, the nicotine solution is meticulously formulated according to predetermined specifications, blending nicotine, PG, propylene glycol, VG, vegetable glycerin, flavorings, and other ingredients to create the desired liquid formulation. Mixing equipment, such as tanks and agitators, ensures thorough blending and homogenization of the solution, guaranteeing consistency and uniformity in every batch. As the prepared nicotine solution is transferred to the filling station, automated filling machines equipped with advanced dosing systems meticulously dispense precise volumes of the solution into each jerrycan. Whether utilizing volumetric or gravimetric dosing mechanisms, these machines ensure accurate fill volumes, minimizing product waste and variability. Once filled, the jerrycans proceed to the capping and sealing station, where they are securely sealed to prevent leakage and contamination. Automated capping machines apply caps onto the jerrycans with precision, ensuring a tight and reliable seal. Various cap styles, including screw caps or snap-on caps, may be utilized to accommodate different jerrycan designs and application requirements. After sealing, the labeled jerrycans undergo additional quality control measures to monitor and maintain product quality and consistency. Automated inspection systems equipped with sensors and detectors detect any deviations or irregularities in the filling, capping, or labeling process, enabling prompt corrective action to be taken. Once quality checked, the jerrycans are prepared for packaging and palletizing, where they are meticulously stacked and secured for shipping and distribution. Automated packaging systems place the jerrycans into cartons or crates, while palletizing systems stack the packaged jerrycans onto pallets, ready for transport to distribution centers or end customers. Throughout the entire production process, stringent cleaning and maintenance protocols are implemented to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the equipment. Routine cleaning of equipment components, lubrication of moving parts, and periodic inspections help identify and address any potential issues or wear, ensuring continuous operation and minimizing downtime. In conclusion, the Nicotine Jerrycan Filling Line exemplifies the pinnacle of manufacturing excellence in the production of nicotine-based e-liquids. By integrating advanced technology, precise engineering, and rigorous quality control measures, this comprehensive production line enables manufacturers to achieve efficient, consistent, and high-quality filling of jerrycans, ensuring the integrity and safety of the final product. With its commitment to quality, compliance, and operational excellence, the Nicotine Jerrycan Filling Line empowers manufacturers to meet the demands of a rapidly evolving market while maintaining a competitive edge in the e-cigarette and vaping industry. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email address.